Cycle News.
Hosted by Anu Odinago.
Odinunga. And Daisy Atawai.
Daisy Attaway.
Oops.
This is our cell cycle forecast. As you can see, 90% of the cell cycle is interphase. On Sunday and Monday, we will have G1, which is cell growth. Tuesday and Wednesday, we have S for synthesis, where our DNA will be replicated. Thursday and Friday is G2, which is more growth. And finally, Saturday, mitosis. Now back to you, Anu.
Interphase. This is where cell growth takes place and chromosomes are copied. Cells spend 90% of their time here.
Thank you, Daisy. Now I'm here with Miss Chromosome.
Even though I was busy replicating my DNA.
Oh, well, thank you for being here. Now, I must ask you, how many chromosomes will you have when you're finished replicating your DNA?
Well, you see, when I'm finished, I'll have 92 chromosomes.
Oh, but don't you only have 46 chromosomes since you're counted by your centromere?
Well, you see, forgot about that. Why should I only have 46 chromosomes when I'm doing double the work? I start out with 46, I end with 46. No credit at all is given to me. I should have more fame. Who do scientists think they are?
Prophase, the first and longest stage of mitosis. The chromatin coils into chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disintegrates, centrioles migrate, and spindle forms.
So, Miss Chromosome, what happens during prophase?
Well, you see, during prophase is the first and the longest step in mitosis, which, during what I'm doing, is chromatin will be coiling into chromosomes, me, but exactly like spaghetti.
Miss Chromosome is getting on my last nerve. All she does is talk about what she does, and she's too bougie, as she would call it. I told her to talk about prophase, and all she talks about is what she does. She doesn't talk about how the spindle fibers begin to form. She doesn't talk about how the nuclear envelope begins to disappear. And she doesn't talk about how the centrioles form and move to either end of the poles. Those are all things that happen in prophase. As if she's the only important one here. My job is just too hard. I don't know why I'm here, really. It's okay. It's okay.
Metaphase, the second and shortest step in mitosis. Centromeres attach and the chromosomes line up on the equator.
So, Miss Centrosome, what happens in metaphase?
Metaphase is the most boring phase. It's all listen to the spindle fiber. I have a spindle fiber attached to my centromere. I don't want a clingy spindle fiber. It's all chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Honestly, I have better things to do.
Anaphase, the third step in mitosis. Centromeres split, sister chromatids separate, and begin to move to the opposite ends.
What? I just received some breaking news. Anaphase is happening.
Anaphase? No!
Chromosomes have split. They have been spotted moving to either ends of the cell. Sister chromatids have also split. They have been spotted at either poles. I'm scared.
Telophase, the fourth step in mitosis. Chromatids reach opposite poles. Two nuclei form. Spindle breaks down.
Apparently, a cell party is taking place across town. Telophase is happening there. The sister chromatids have been spotted on either poles of the party.
Reportedly, there have been many injuries, including the spindle breaking. Also, the nucleolus has made a surprise reappearance. So,
Cytokinesis happens during anaphase and telophase. Cytoplasm divides equally. In animals, cell membrane pinches along the equator. Cleavage is formed. In plants, a cell plate forms along the equator, separating the two cells. Daughter cells are created.
apparently, cytokinesis has been happening during anaphase and telophase.
In plant cells, a cell plate forms across the equator to form two cells. In animal cells, a cell membrane forms across the equator to make two cells.
Plant cells form cell plates, while animal cells form It's time for a trivia question.
Which word describes the rapid cell division that takes place in animal cells? A. Cytolysis, B. Cleavage, C. Cell division, or D. Cytoplasm?
And the correct answer is B. Cleavage.
Warning, cell division failed. Self-destruct in 5, 4,
Oh, no.
3, 2,